Let's take a look on how to store passwords in Django using a .env file. So instead of leaving passwords hanging around settings.py and everywhere else, let's make this more professional and keep things separated. I'll be following this post in my blog, link in the description. Why use a .env file? So you'll often make your project public and share with teams and take it to GitHub. So a .env file help us separate private configurations from the source codes. Code stays public and the secrets stay private. Good practices for the future. And now let me drag this window to my other screen and continue from the text editor. Let's install with a pip install django-environ. That simple. I already have it. It's not gonna do anything for me. I have just created a Django project, so it's the most simple thing you can think of, and it's looking like that. And it's really for the test. Now, what we want to do in this tutorial is to remove these two values from here. So I'm already gonna copy them and create on the root of the project a new file named .env, and in .env we will put our secrets. And notice what I'm doing. I'm removing the string, and next I will remove the empty spaces around the equal. So we will follow always this format when we are in .env. That's it for the .env. You can put here your credentials from APIs, emails, you name it, whatever it is, it should be in here. Next step, let's import environ and settings.py, and from there we need to define env. Let's define env to be env equals environ dot env, and inside here we need to say that one of these variables, the debug variable, it's a boolean. Okay, so we go like bool, and we can set the default to be false, so false. If for some reason it's not defined, it will turn out to be false. Then it's a matter of running environ.env read.readenv and pass in the path. So we need base there for this, slash, and the name of the file. If you have it in some different location, it's a matter of adjusting it. Now it's even more simple, as removing the original secret key and say that instead it's this secret key, that it's coming from .env. Okay, also the same thing to debug and pass in the string with debug. It's as simple as that. Now optionally we can add this file to the gitignore. If you are running your project with Git, you can come to gitignore and separate things by not uploading .env to your repository. That's it for this video, and I hope you like it. Subscribe. You can say hello. If there's anything else that you want to know, feel free to reach. And thank you so much for everything. Bye.